South America's best-kept secret where laid-back charm meets rich culture and natural beauty. Wander the cobbled streets of Colonia del Sacramento, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, or soak up the sun on the golden beaches of Punta del Este. In Montevideo, experience a vibrant blend of art, music, and mouthwatering cuisine fueled by asado and mate. Explore rolling vineyards, peaceful countryside, and coastal towns that exude warmth and authenticity. With its safe cities, friendly locals, and relaxed vibe, Uruguay offers a refreshing escape from the ordinary. Uruguay is located in South America. It is bordered by Brazil to the north and Argentina to the west. The Atlantic Ocean lies to the southeast of Uruguay. Montevideo is the capital and largest city. Uruguay is the second smallest country in South America after Suriname. The country covers about 176,000 square kilometers. The population is around 3.5 million, 2025 estimate. Most of the population lives in urban areas. Spanish is the official language. The Uruguayan Spanish dialect has strong Italian influences. Uruguay has a temperate climate with 4 distinct seasons. The country's terrain consists mostly of rolling plains and low hills. The highest point is Cerro Catedral at 514 meters. The country is known for its stable democracy. Uruguay gained independence in 1825. It declared independence from Brazil and later confirmed it with Argentina. José Gervasio Artigas is considered the national hero. The official name is the Oriental Republic of Uruguay. Uruguay has a presidential system of government. The president is both head of state and head of government. Uruguay is considered one of the least corrupt countries in Latin America. It ranks high in global democracy and press freedom indexes. Uruguay is one of the most progressive countries in Latin America. Same-sex marriage has been legal since 2013. Abortion is legal and regulated. Uruguay was the first country to legalize recreational cannabis nationwide. The economy is based on agriculture, tourism, and services. Beef and wool are major exports. Uruguay is a leading beef exporter per capita. Soybeans, rice, and dairy products are also important. Montevideo is the country's cultural, political, and economic center. The city lies on the Rio de la Plata estuary. Punta del Este is a famous beach resort city. Uruguay has many beaches along the Atlantic coast. The official currency is the Uruguayan peso. The country has low levels of poverty and inequality. Uruguay has universal healthcare. Public education is free and compulsory up to secondary level. The University of the Republic is the main public university. Uruguay has one of the highest literacy rates in Latin America. The country is largely secular. There is a strong tradition of separation of church and state. Christianity is the dominant religion, especially Roman Catholicism. Many Uruguayans are agnostic or atheist. The country has a strong European cultural influence. Most Uruguayans are of Spanish and Italian descent. The tango originated in the Rio de la Plata region shared with Argentina. Candom is a traditional Afro-Uruguayan music and dance style. The annual carnival in Montevideo includes candom parades. Mate is a traditional drink widely consumed in Uruguay. Mate is a herbal tea made from yerba mate and drunk from a gourd. The national dish is asado, or grilled meat. Chivito is a popular sandwich made with steak and toppings. Dulce de leche is a beloved sweet used in many desserts. Football is the most popular sport. Uruguay won the first FIFA World Cup in 1930. The country also won the World Cup again in 1950. Uruguay has won multiple Copa America titles. The national team is nicknamed La Celeste, the Sky Blue. Club Nacional and Peñarol are the most prominent football clubs. Rugby and basketball are also played competitively. The flag has 9 stripes and a sun symbol called the Sun of May. The sun represents freedom and independence. Uruguay's national flower is the ceibo. The national bird is the southern lapwing. The national anthem is one of the longest in the world. The anthem can last over 5 minutes when fully performed. The country is part of Mercosur, a South American trade bloc. Uruguay has a high level of digital inclusion. The One Laptop Per Child program was implemented nationwide. Renewable energy provides nearly all of the country's electricity. Wind and hydro power are major contributors. Uruguay has a strong environmental record. Montevideo is considered one of the most livable cities in Latin America. The country has low crime rates compared to regional averages. Uruguayans enjoy a relatively high standard of living. Public transportation is widely available in cities. Road infrastructure is well developed, especially near the coast. Uruguay has no official army draft. Military service is voluntary. The country is known for its laid-back lifestyle and political stability. If you like the video, we'll share it with your friends and family members on WhatsApp and Facebook wall. I encourage you to like this video too, or did you know that you will meet your friends through the video till then?